Welcome to the tranquil paradise of Paxos, a hidden gem nestled in the Ionian Sea just off the western coast of mainland Greece. If you're looking for the perfect destination to invest in, Paxos is the answer. Join us as we explore this exquisite island and discover the opportunities it holds. Paxos has seen a remarkable surge in popularity among both Greek and foreign tourists. What makes Paxos an excellent choice for investment? Here are some compelling reasons. Untouched paradise. Unlike bustling tourist hubs, Paxos remains a tranquil retreat offering an authentic Grecian experience. Robust value. The island's real estate market is on an upward trajectory, promising impressive returns. Growing tourism. Every year, Paxos sees a rise in tourists, boosting rental property demand. Rich culture. A blend of history and tradition, Paxos provides a culturally enriching environment. Strategic location. Its proximity to Greece's mainland and other islands make it easily accessible yet exclusive. Natural beauty. Immaculate turquoise waters, age-old olive groves, and scenic landscapes offer unparalleled living aesthetics. Safe investment climate. Greece's stable economy environment and pro-investment policies ensure security for your investments. Community feel. The close-knit local community offers a warm, welcoming, and safe environment. Sustainable development. Paxos is committed to sustainable tourism and development, ensuring long-term growth. Diverse opportunities. From real estate to business ventures, the island provides a range of investment avenues. Potential for high return on investment. The majority of tourists visiting are English, Greek, and Italian, making Paxos nearly fully booked in July and August, with travel remittances nearing the 2019 peak. A standout year for Greek tourism. Paxos will enchant you with its immaculate turquoise waters, lush greenery, and warm-hearted locals, ensuring that your summer holidays are filled with beauty and your investments here are safe. Discover amazing beaches, picturesque coves, cliffs, and fascinating sea caves, all coexisting in harmony with age-old olive trees and lush vegetation. Traditional residential areas, churches, and dry stone walls add character to the island's landscape. Numerous luxury yachts anchor at the exceptionally beautiful bays of Paxos, with their owners staying and relaxing in luxury villas, a testament to the island's exclusivity and charm. Now let's delve into the variety of real estate opportunities that Paxos has to offer. Whether you're dreaming of a tranquil villa by the sea, a charming cottage nestled among the olive groves, or an investment in a property with renovation potential, Paxos has it all. Here's a glimpse of what you can find. Plots for building. Paxos offers a range of plots for building, where you can create your dream home from the ground up. With the right location and vision, you can have a property that perfectly fits your preferences. Villas. Luxury villas dot the picturesque landscape of Paxos. For those seeking a comfortable, upscale lifestyle, enjoy the view of turquoise waters from your private haven. Detached houses. Charming detached houses nestled amid the island's age-old olive groves are perfect for those who want a cozy, rustic retreat surrounded by natural beauty. Houses for renovation. If you're looking for a project, Paxos has an array of houses with great renovation potential. Paxos isn't just about real estate, it's about possibilities. From waterfront villas to serene countryside cottages, the island's real estate market is a tapestry of options catering to various tastes and preferences. So whether you're envisioning your ideal home, a future investment, or a renovation project, Paxos offers a world of real estate opportunities. For expert guidance in navigating this exciting journey, reach out to Roula Rouva Real Estate and let us guide you towards the real estate property that suits your vision and desires, and help you acquire your place in paradise.